Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. Today I'm making a basic smoked porter and juggling one child on a miserable rainy day. So, here we go. Before the child gets up, I've got the water on and that's all under control, and I'm expecting a pretty big grain bill today, so I'm just taking a little bit of water out at the start. So, time to wake up the kid. The water's on. Let's get Jonah. There he is. Grumpy little fella. Oh, don't you want to get up, mate? Oh, well, too bad. Anyway, so he's getting his breakfast there. There you go. One mashed up wheat bix and yogurt, and there you go. You eat that. Alright, so first trick, get the water on before the kid's up. Now, here we go. Looks like we're getting up to mash temperature there. So, clean up some boogers. Get out of it, Max. So, time to mash in. And, oh, look, I don't have my notes. I can't remember what's in here. I reckon it is like 6% dark crystal, 4% chocolate, and the rest is base malt. But 2 kilos of the base malt is smoked malt to give it a smoky sort of thing happening there. So, yeah, that's all good. And I could smell it, so that's nice. Apparently you can use up to 100% of this particular smoked malt, but I didn't. I just went for, I don't know what percent, but I'll put it in the notes. So, yeah. Alright, kid, what's next? Time for you to have some fun. Looks like your favourite show's on. It's The Wiggles. And as Simon says, put your hands on your head. Go on, put your hands on your head. Good boy. And Simon says, put your hands on your nose. Yeah, good boy. Alright, so, Max, settle down. Okay, now Jonah's done a massive poo. And we're out of nappies, so we are going down to the store to get some more nappies. So driving down the hill, and then I look for a good park here at Audi, and that looks like a good spot there. And here we go, there's all the nappies. Everyone's good. Back up the hill, back home, and yeah, I did have one nappy. I didn't have to take a completely stinky baby to the store, and he gets a banana for being a good boy. So there's your banana mate, or Nana, as he likes to call it, and now he'll just have to sit and wait while. Oh yeah, that was mashing for a very long time because it's all around his. This is all based around his nap time. So what I want is to have to do all the mad rush at the end stuff while he's asleep. So it's actually been mashing for 2 hours and the temperature dropped heat, but I'm not concerned. And anyway, just putting that water back in, and now we'll be squeezing out the grains, and there we go. Squeezy squeeze, squeezed grains go back in, and muffin for a good little boy. Right, so now I'm checking while Jenna plays piano, checking out the recipe, calculating what hops I'll need, and I'm using Willamette hops today, and it turns out I need 45 grams for the right bitterness. So I've figured that out based on the bitterness to gravity ratio. So in they go. Set my timer for an hour there, and bedtime for you, kid. So if I put him to bed now, the thing boils. I do all the stuff at the end while he's asleep. Then he'll wake up again. Everyone's going to say, "Bye-bye, Jonah. I'll see you later on." Good little boy. Okay, so now we're fluffing around, getting our sanitizer ready. That's Star Sand going in there and mixing it up, making 3 litres of that. Getting some more hops. There go the hops. And this is some hop nutrient going in there. This is half a teaspoon of that, and a well flock, because got to have a nice clear porter. Makes no sense. Oh well, anyway, I'm doing it anyway. And so 15 minutes to go. All that stuff goes in. There we go. And just make sure I get all of it. It seemed to be a bit stuck on the bottom there. And now we are 0 minutes to go. In goes the flame out hops. I think that was 25 grams. I can't remember. And this is whirlpool time. So time for a whirlpool. And I always set a stopwatch when I turn the thingy off, because then I know how long it's been sitting there for. So basic smoked porter. Still smell the smoky stuff. Whirlpooling away. And here we go. Hang on a second. What was that? Let's wind this back. Have a close look. That's clear coming out at the start. A little splash of clear liquid, possibly water, came out at the start. So I'm going to take another sample and compare it, because I reckon I'm getting a false reading. And yep, as it turns out, when they cooled down, the second sample was 6 gravity points higher than the first one. So that was interesting. I like that. Anyway, we're pouring it out now into the cube. So the cube fills up. There we go, nice and smooth. And tilt the last bit out, and then squeeze all the air out of the cube. So that's going to sit in the shed for a day or two to cool down. And yeah, I guess we're all done. There it all is there. It's going up to the shed. This is Nottingham yeast, but we're done. So, thumbs up. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Basic smoked porter and how to juggle one kid around nap time. Alright, time to have a muffin.